Hey everyone, Josh here with Fresh Start Customs, and today we have the official missing piece to the Glowforge catalog for the Santa trackers. The Snowman is now live. I just wanted to do a real quick update on this for those who watched my last video where you've seen all of these other ones that we added for the Santa trackers. So if you're printing this off for your kids or you're selling these as designs or crafts, they did manage to get this one out just in time for Christmas. I know it is short notice and you don't get to use it that much this year around, but this should be in time for next year too. So you can print these off. Hopefully your kids got a kick out of it. If you want the Snowman, you still have time before Christmas, and that's what this video is for, just to make this aware to you guys. If you want to print it in time for Christmas, you can definitely do that. Otherwise, we still have all those other options, and I hope you guys enjoyed that. I hope you guys have a Merry Christmas, and I really appreciate your support. I hope you guys enjoy these free downloads from the Glowforge catalog. If you have premium membership, you can get these 100% free. Just download them, print them anytime from Glowforge. Otherwise, they do have the one-time purchase for unlimited prints or pay per print option. And then I do have this on Etsy as well. But other than that, once again, thank you for all your support. Have a good Christmas. It was fun talking with you guys. Super short video today, and we'll catch you guys in the next one.